तो बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं जो कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और फ्लक्स से रिलेटेड है। तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने दिया है कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन द रीजन इज गिवन बाय दिस फैक्टर, द रेशियो ऑफ द फ्लक्स। सो दिस इज द फैक्टर, द रेशियो ऑफ द फ्लक्स ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड फील्ड थ्रू द रेक्टेंगुलर सरफेस एरिया दिया है विच इज पैरेलल टू द वाई जेड प्लेन, और एक सरफेस एरिया दिया है 0.3 मीटर स्क्वायर का विच इज पैरेलल टू द एक्स जेड प्लेन। जो फ्लक्स पास हो रहा है वो दो एरियाज के थ्रू, उसका रेशियो दिया है, ओके, विच इज ए एस टू 2, and they're asking what is the value of a. So it's very simple question if you know the concept. What you have to do is that you have to find the flux for each area. Okay, there are two areas, so for each area you have to find the flux and take the ratio of those flux, then you will get the answer a. So let us first find the flux passing through the first area. Before that, let us draw the diagram so you can visually see how it looks like. So this is in the vector format, so I'm going to draw three axes like that. So this is the x-axis, this is y, and this is z. And unit vector will be represented like this, I, j, and k. Okay. So they have just given this x and y-axis vector components, right? There is no z component. That means electric field is only in this particular region. Okay, this one, x, y region. Now we have to look at the area which is parallel to the y z plane. Okay, so this is the y z plane. This area will be like something like this one, which is parallel to the YZ plane, right? So this is the first area. So as you can see, the flux will pass like this one. Okay, it will not pass vertically because it is parallel to the YZ plane. And this component is basically a x axis component, that is I. So basically what we have to do is that we have to multiply this area with x component of the vector. Okay, so x component of the vector is 3 divided by pi e0, and if you multiply it by 0.2 meter square, so this is going to be the flux passing through that area, and we have to take the ratio, so that's why I'm putting the denominator now. So let us do the same thing for the other area as well. So the other area is parallel to the xz plane. So this is the xz plane, right, like this. So this particular area is, it will come like this, something like this. So you can see that this particular flux will pass vertically. So you can see we have to multiply this area with the y-axis component of the vector. So y-axis component is 4 by 5 e0 into 0.3. That's it. If you solve this, you will get the ratio, and then that way you can find the value of a. So let us solve this. E0 will cancel out. 5 will cancel out. Then this point will cancel out. Here it will be 2, and 3 will cancel out. So it is going to be 1 by 2, and they have given the ratio as a by 2. So you can clearly see the a's value is 1. So you can see that it is simply that we have to take the, like, we have to divide the two fluxes. So if you know like how to find the flux of one area, then it is very simple. This kind of problems are very simple. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments.